Sunday is going to be really different. I'm going to be cooking with my grandmom and making one of her most legendary famous recipes. It's the chicken biryani. I mean, the way she makes it is so different. None of us can actually make that. So today I'm going to actually go and find out how she's going to do it. Don't worry, I'm not going out. They live just in the ground floor. I live on the first floor. So I'm going to be going to their house and learning their recipe. Hi my lovely people, this is Valita and welcome back to my channel. So today is a Sunday, the 19th of July 2020, and it's gonna be an interesting day. Let's go.
What we used to be, we could let go and let love.
I'm actually really nervous to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Guys, this is my grandmother, and from now the vlog is gonna be in Telugu. I'm gonna add subtitles for those who cannot understand Telugu, but let's dive in and see what all is gonna happen there. Hi Chaparandamma.
Hi.
So that's my grandma. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేమే మేది
Garlic, chilli, onion,
ఓకే
ఇది
జింజర్
ginger,
ఇది
dhania powder,
ఓకే అర్చన టర్మరిక్
cloves,
క్లోజ్ అదే లవంగానా
లవంగా. ఇది
చెక్కే.
చెక్కే
ఏమంటారు తల్లే
ఏమంటారు సినిమాన్
సినిమన్ కరెక్ట్ మిట్టా అయితే కోకోనట్ ఇవంతా గ్రైండ్ చేసుకోవాలనా
సపరేట్ గ్రైండింగ్
separate grinding. So you're supposed to grind all of this separately, and so much we've taken because we're cooking for a family of almost 7 to 8 people, and we're going to eat it for 2 times, so that's why we have so much. Okay, head chef ready?
ఇది కోకోనట్ మిల్క్ తీసుకున్నాను.
Coconut milk ka.
గ్రైండ్ చేసి మిల్క్.
So you have to grind this coconut and extract the milk out of it. Take milk out of it. Okay. So this is how the coconut mixture will finally look like. You need to strain it and just extract the milk from this.
Consider time, consider space, and all the rest that we could.
In the kitchen, I'm joined by my uncle, Baba Mama. Hi, Chapanda. My mother and my aunt. So I'm working with all of them, and that's my grandmother. So that is the kitchen crew, and my grandmom is the head chef.
But I feel you.
So in the end, last la ade add cheskonda. Nenu Telugu అయిపోతుంది. అది అంతా డ్రై మసాలా కదా.
చిల్లీలా మాత్రం చిల్లీ పేస్ట్ అయినాక దాన్ని తీసేకిన మొదలు ఇద్దరు యాడ్ చేసి గ్రైండ్ చేయాలి.
Fading from summer to fall.
So this is the masala platter. There's onion paste, ginger paste, garlic paste. This is chili, then all the dry masala as well as coriander in this. So guys, you must be wondering why we're actually grinding.
This is the magic of the biryani.
So we are actually grinding each and everything separately because you'll get the flavor of each ingredient, and that's what you want. So my grandmom is like, don't buy anything from outside, the coconut milk or even the ginger garlic paste. Make it at home, you get the best of it because each and every vegetable and ingredient is very, very good. Since we are multitasking, there is one cooker ready and we're adding 200 grams of oil to it. Approximately just add some oil. Moving on to the cooker, my aunt is adding bay leaves because the oil is pretty hot, and then some more bay leaves. Then we added some chekke, lavanga, all the spices, basically the mixed spices alva. So we're adding everything, and now we're going to fry that. And then we add some onions into this and just fry it. Fry it until the onions are golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add the chicken that you have into it. You don't need to marinate this as such, just raw chicken. And to this add some turmeric. adding the turmeric, just close the cooker so all the water in the chicken just gets absorbed. మీరు ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకుందమ్మా చికెన్ ఇది బిర్యానీ చేసేది?
మా ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్స్ మా మదర్.
Guys, just so that I can give you a little backstory, my grandmother's father, that's my great grandfather, was a member of Congress back then. So kadamma వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తాను ఇంతప్పుడు?
ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆల్ ఇండియా కాంగ్రెస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్.
He was a president of All India Congress, and he used to travel a lot. So wherever he went, he used to bring back a lot of recipes, and their house was filled with chefs and workers and all of them. So they used to make all of this because they were a very big family. Sana pedda family kadamma. My grandmom alone has how many brothers and sisters? Any brothers and sisters?
11 members.
11 members. So 11.
5 boys, 5 girls, 10 members.
That's a lot. That's a big family.
This is crazy.
Our uncle is making fun.
Take the pretty mixer. It's the best mixer.
They're trying to talk like me, but yeah. So yeah, this is like my grandmom gets this from a long time, and nobody's ever made biryani like she has made. Kadamma, memanta inta try chesinamo, but it's never come out that way. So na friends, na viewers ki enna cheppara meeru?
అంటే ఏం చెప్పాలంటే ఇంట్లో అంతా ఇంట్లోనే ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ మసాలాస్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఇన్
Your
హౌస్ ఇన్ యువర్ హౌస్.
Make all the masala in your house. That's when it will taste very authentic. Guys, if you're wondering, this is 1 kg chicken, and this is more than sufficient for our entire family. And add the salt according to how much chicken you're adding.
One spoon, huh?
Five spoons.
5 spoon, huh?
5 spoons వేసి
Ah.
టేస్ట్ చూసి తక్కువ ఉంటే అది చేసుకున్నాను.
5 spoon ఉంటే చాలు టేస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఇట్లా 5 spoon. ఫస్ట్ శుంఠి.
Shunti, ginger paste.
నెక్స్ట్ వెల్లుల్లి.
వెల్లుల్లి.
Next, you add the garlic paste.
అండ్ దెన్ ఆనియన్ పేస్ట్.
ఆనియన్.
Then the onion paste.
Fourth place. That
The chili and all that masala. So this is the order in which you're going to add it into the pan. Don't add it all together because you'll spoil the taste. You need to wait for the water to get evaporated from the chicken, or else you will not get the taste and the chicken will smell very raw. We are adding the ginger paste. Add it one by one, guys. Add it in the order that was mentioned.
You have to mix. Well,
Next
What else
goes
you
the
say?
garlic paste.
When mix it properly, all taste it.
And remember to stir it well as soon as you add it. And guys, the onion paste goes in now. And in the end, that is the chili, coriander and all the dry masala paste that goes in. Oh, mummy.
చెఫ్ కి తలుచుకుంటాను అనుకో సెకండ్ ఇష్టం.
Trusty shoes.
Chota step is doing లైఫ్ లాంగ్ నేర్చుకుంటానే ఉంటుంది.
What are these words?
Add salt into this according to your taste.
Water.
The glass we've used for the rice, we've
Sorry?
got 4 cups of
4
it.
cup.
4 glasses of
This glass only.
that glass only you should use for 4 glasses of rice.
Rice, sir.
And you need to soak the rice for 30 minutes.
30
Kadabam.
minutes.
30 minutes you need to soak.
After adding all masala, finally you want to add that rice.
Finally rice.
అది ఫిల్టర్ చేయాలి.
Yeah,
వాటర్ ఉంటుంది కదా,
ఆహా.
వాటర్ తీసేయాలి.
ఆ మిఠా రైస్ వేయాలి అంతే.
ఈ మిక్సీలో
So we're adding the coconut milk inside. 5 glasses.
తిప్పు కింద
5 big glasses in fact.
సేమ్ గ్లాస్.
అదే rice glass.
కదా.
Who are these people? I'm a fish out of water. I need to breathe. I'm not your sport. I'm not your catch and release.
You're adding the rice. Make sure that you invert the and slowly go on adding it.
నిదానంగా.
We have to mix it while adding.
What is this called? Sauto.
Huh?
Sauto is called what in English?
Spatula.
Spatula, I don't know. Just
Spatula.
invert that, guys. Use it that way.
It's a spoon, yeah. Something.
Big spoon. Top it with some pudina or mint leaves.
ಮುಚ್ಚಿದೆ.
Don't cut it, just take individual leaves and add it that way
And
for the
don't mix
flavor.
it.
And don't mix it. And just close the cooker, let it cook. Yes, there is this one recipe in our family that we will never tell anybody. But if you taste it, I swear to God, you will forget everything else, because that's been in our family since the time of my great grandfather. So he got that recipe, and there have been times where we've invited so many people, they've eaten it, they've wanted the recipe, but we've never given it out. Probably one day my uncle might start a business about it. Kada Baba?
Yes.
One day he might start it, and if he does, I will definitely tell you. We're positive. So once it's ready, it's going to look like this, and you need to mix it again with an inverted spoon. We're adding some ghee to it, a lot of ghee in fact. And now we're going to mix it. Remember, don't mix it too much.
Believe in love, believe it now. It's all that's keeping me from holding you down. Now it's your turn to burn this bridge and set me free. What are these words? Who are these people? I'm official.
Guys, my mom made pepper chicken. So this is what my mom's made. This is what everybody in the house made. That's some raita, and this is my brother's plate. So that was our version of cooking, and guys, trust me, when all of us get together in the ground floor, it's a joint family, okay? So we live here on the first floor, but then we're most of the times in the ground floor. So when all of us get together, we have a lot of fun. You know, what you saw is just a part of it. In fact, there are so many scenes that you would have missed, because I am not planning to add everything. So yeah, I mean, this is what it is, and I really hope you enjoyed this. I will add all the subtitles and all of that on the screen for caption and translations. And also sometimes here and there I would have missed it, but I'm just really sorry. I haven't edited it yet, but I'm ending the video right here, right now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also please subscribe to my channel, because I am really waiting and eagerly waiting to hit the 1000 subscriber mark, because my mom is gonna be giving me the Canon G7X Mark II once I hit the 1000 subscriber mark. Yes or no, Mama?
Yes.
Ask them to subscribe now to my channel.
Yeah, please subscribe.
Please, guys.
Please.
And also, you can follow both of us on social media, because we're pretty active there, and the links will be in the description. Hit the subscribe button and also the follow button on Instagram, and I will see you guys very soon. You can binge watch on all my other videos. In the iCards, I will place a lot of videos. In the description box, you'll find a lot of other videos, or just click on my name and go binge watch all the videos. And I'll see you very soon. Very soon. Bye bye. Take care. Love you.
Common spoon used by the family. Indian.
Teaspoon.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಟೀಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ కదా
This to strain it, and this glass, 4 glasses of this to add the rice.